Before we start, make sure you like and subscribe the video so I can make more videos and know what y'all like. So yeah, let's get started. Hello guys, today I'm going to be shooting on the XT4 Fujifilm camera. I'm going to be using various simulations. Today we're going to be using the Eternal Bleach Bypass, the Eternal Cinema Classic Negative, which is my favorite, and some Velvia Vivid, which to pop out that good natural color. But yeah, we're gonna start out with Eternal Bleach Bypass. Put some also across our filter. Get some black and white photos. So yeah, what I like about the XT4 are the dials. You feel it just feels very connected, and also with the image stabilization inside as well. It has still and movie, and yeah, I'm going to be using the 27mm lens. It's going to be a wide angle lens. This lens is considered to be a pancake lens, so I'm gonna get some wide shots, some close-ups, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so I came across this wild sunflower. Let's see, take a picture of that. Okay, if you see that cloud right here, I want to take a picture of that cloud. Yep. How would two move? It's a cool duck. I'm going to need a shower after this. I'm going to take a picture of this cloud right here. Right here, I'm going to try to take a picture of this tree facing the sky, with the clouds in the background. No swimming sign, ordinance 6941. Right now I'm using Eternal Bleach Bypass as my film simulation. I might switch it up and use another film simulation, but I'm enjoying this one. There's different colors of flowers around here. There's some purple ones, and I noticed when I use the Eternal Bleach Bypass, it doesn't pick up the purple colors, so that's one thing I noticed. classic negative, one of my favorites. Ow! Dude. I used via Vivid film simulation on this one. And that's what I like about the Fujifilm XT4 or the Fujifilm lineup, is that all their cameras have built-in film simulations. It takes the burden off of editing your photos, and that's what photography is all about. It's having fun and not worrying about the colors, and it's already there for you. The tools and the resources are there. And I've been shooting on this for 3-4 years, and every time I shot on it, I don't have to worry about those things.